Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I have been having so much fun making a video every day for you guys to celebrate the month of December. It has been a blast and I'm having a really good time coming up with all kinds of fun holiday little recipes. So I'm going to start this week off with some, I make these green muffins for the boys. They are perfect for kids, so healthy. But they're green blender muffins, but I am going to call them Grinch muffins since Christmas is almost here. It is less than a week away. I am so excited. It is so much fun with the kids, all the awesome Christmas activities going on. It's really great. We went to a tractor light parade this weekend and so fun, and I just love the festivities. Can't get enough of it. So Christmas is almost here though, so I want to just keep on celebrating as long as we can. So I'm going to make these green Grinch muffins, and the boys, they seriously love these. I make them all the time and they gobble them up, and I don't think they really know how healthy they are. So here's all the ingredients. There is oats, so I use just old-fashioned oats. And then a bunch of spinach. Just add in like basically all the spinach you can. A couple eggs, a couple ripe bananas. I use sugar-free syrup. You can use honey as well. And I use coconut oil. I will melt it, but you can also use melted butter. And then some cinnamon, vanilla extract, baking soda, some milk. I'm not sure if it's an apple cider vinegar, but all these ingredients, I'll put them in my blender and blend it all up, pour it into my muffin tins, and it's so easy, so healthy, and I'm gonna call them Grinch muffins this week to make them a little bit more festive for the holidays. So I hope that you enjoy this recipe. If you have some little ones and you haven't made these before, I definitely recommend them. They're so delicious and healthy, so you can't go wrong, right? So I'll get all of these made up and I'll show you how I blend them up in my blender. I'll put the recipe in the description box, so if you do want to make these, check it out. I'll put all the ingredients and I'll list out the portion sizes of everything in there. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and you will get a notification if you press the bell button next to subscribe every time I post a new video. I have posted a new video every day of the month of December and it has been an absolute blast. So thank you so much for stopping by for each of my videos. I just really appreciate you guys stopping by, leaving me comments, putting likes on these videos. It's been so fun. So I will get all of this going and we'll have these green Grinch muffins ready for the boys. All right, I have my 2 cups of oats, so I'm just going to pour them right into the blender. I have my melted coconut oil. I also use, sugar-free syrup, but you can use a honey, so really any kind of sticky sweetener. But I use this sugar-free syrup because that's what the boys love with their pancakes. I have apple cider vinegar. And I have 2 ripe bananas. It is really hard to get ripe bananas in my house because my family eats them so fast. So I usually have to set a couple aside if I want to make something with ripe bananas. So these are ready to go, nice and ripe. So I am putting these in, and then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. I have my vanilla extract. I have baking powder and ground cinnamon. And I'm going to use 2 eggs, so I'm just going to put everything here into the blender. And these make everything really easy and nice and clean, because once I have this all blended up, I can, I have my milk. I use a 1/4 cup of milk, any kind of milk you'd like. And I love these silicone measuring cups for liquids. They're so awesome. So everything in the blender, you can just pour it straight into the muffin tins, and it really is not quite as messy as using a spoon in a bowl. So I'm going to add in all the spinach that I can fit. I'm just going to fill this whole thing up and blend it all, and then you'll be ready to go to pour into my muffin tin liners. All right, so my green muffins are all mixed in the blender and nice and smooth, totally green from the spinach, love it. I have my silicone little baking cups. I love these. They're so great. They're non-stick, so you don't have to use any cooking spray. I will link these in the description box. If you need some silicone little muffin tins, check these out on Amazon. I pulled out the red and green ones. They come in all sorts of bright colors and I love them. And I also have some, I didn't think I had enough green and red, so I have these heart-shaped silicone ones. So they're red, so I thought, awesome, I'll use them as well. So I'm just gonna line these out on my cookie sheet. And you can use like a muffin tin and put the liners inside the muffin tin, but I use a cookie sheet because it makes more than a muffin tin has on its holes. So I have all these lined out, and I will pour in the green muffin, the Grinch muffin that we're calling today, the Grinch muffin mix. And then I'm going to cook these in the oven. My oven is already preheated, it's ready to go. And these are amazing. All right, so these green Grinch muffins are ready to go. The boys will be so excited that I made these. They seriously bake for them all the time. But now that I'm gonna call them Grinch muffins, they're just gonna love it. There's those Grinch blow up decorations in people's front yards. There's a few in our neighborhood. And every time we drive by a Grinch blow up, they just laugh and giggle, and they love those Grinch blow ups. It's hilarious. So they're gonna love these Grinch green muffins for the holidays. And like I said, they're so good, so healthy, with all of the spinach, and really awesome. So I hope that you get a chance to make these for your kids. They will love them too. So subscribe if you are new to my channel. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Put a like on this video if you like this one. And I hope I'll see you next time. Another video tomorrow, so we'll keep celebrating until Christmas is here. I just love making these Vlogmas videos for you guys, so keep tuning in. And if you've missed a few, go back to my channel and you can look through all of my videos from this past month. They have just been a blast to do. So I hope that you have a great rest of your day. So excited, Christmas is almost here, you guys. It's awesome. Hope to see you again tomorrow on my next video. Bye-bye.